Hi, in this video we will be discussing the eligibility criteria of AFCAT exam. The minimum education qualification for flying branch is 60% marks in graduation in BE or B.Tech or cleared section A and B examination of Institute of Engineers or 12th class with physics and maths with 60% marks. The age limit is 20 years to 25 years as the upper age limit. The minimum education qualification for technical branch is 4 or 3 years degree in the field of engineering or cleared section A and B examination of Institution of Engineer or 60% in Aeronautical Engineering or 12th class with physics and maths with 60% marks. The age limit is 20 to 26 years as the upper age limit. The minimum educational qualification for ground duty branch is 60% in any discipline or 60% in Aeronautical Society of India with 60% marks or cleared section A and B examination of Institution of Engineers or 60% in Aeronautical Engineering or BCom with a minimum of 60% marks for accounts posts. The age limit is 20 years and 25 years as the upper age limit. Unmarried candidates, divorcees, are allowed to appear for the exam. The chosen candidates will be selected in interested Indian Army Force posts through interviews held by SSB, which stands for State Service Board, which conducts personality and intelligence tests along with interview to find the suitable candidate for the armed forces through group activities, screening tests, psychological tests, and more. So, if you have liked our video, please like, share, and comment in our channel.